Hi team. Before I begin the demo, let me quickly explain the problem this app validator is solving. In a typical ServiceNow environment, customers enable multiple applications based on their subscriptions, entitlements, and business needs. But over time, a few common problems start showing up. Some required applications may not be installed, some applications become outdated, heavy customization creates drift from out of the box behavior, AI usage starts increasing without clear visibility into consumption or cost, and licensing is often not aligned with actual usage. So, the issue is that these gaps usually don't get noticed early. They surface later during deployments, upgrades, audits, or renewals, which creates delays, rework, and also unnecessary risk. So, the goal of App Validator is to provide one unified workspace to identify what is missing, what is out of sync, what is heavily customized, and how usage aligns with assistant licenses. Now I'm on the App Validator workspace landing page. This workspace is designed as a single place to assess instance readiness and optimization. So, at a high level, it is organized into four key tabs: app readiness issues, application drift, assess consumption, and license utilization. Before going into each tab, this overview page already gives a quick snapshot of the instance. On the left, we can see alerts such as licenses expiring in the next 30 days, upgrade risk concerns, and unused licenses. We also show the overall system health status, and in this case, the semaphore health is available, which tells us the system is currently operational from a readiness perspective. So, we also surface summary indicators like apps needing updates or repair, overall customization count, upgrade risk, and license utilization. At the bottom, we also recommend relevant applications across products like AI agents, ITSM, HRSD, AI search, and CSM. So, this gives a quick starting point before drilling into details. Let me start with app readiness issues. This tab validates whether the instance is technically ready based on the customer's entitlements and current installation state. So here we categorize readiness into multiple areas like applications pending installation, applications needing updates, applications needing repair. And on the other hand, ongoing updates and installations and already installed applications. So for example, in this instance, we can see there are no applications pending installation at the moment. We can see one application needing an update, which is now Assist AI Agents, where it is showing the current version versus the latest available version. Coming to the applications needing repair, Now Assist for HRSD and the ITSM are under repair right now. Below that, we can also see that there are currently no ongoing updates and installations in progress. And in the installed applications section, we can see four applications already installed, including Now Assist for CSM, UI Builder, AI Search, and Virtual Agent. So, why this matters is simple. If these readiness issues are not addressed, features like Now Assist or Agentic AI may not function properly. So, the installations may fail or behave unpredictably, and teams end up wasting time during the deployment. So, this tab acts as the baseline readiness check before enabling any kind of advanced capability. So, next, I'll move on to the application drift tab. So this tab measures how far the instance has deviated from out of the box configurations. So at the top, we provide an upgrade risk indicator. So this is calculated based on the selected product suites. So in this case, I have selected three product suites, which are Now Assist for CSM, Now Assist for HRSD, and ITSM. So according to these filters, the upgrade risk is shown as 41%. So here the classification is pretty simple. So which is 0 to 30% is considered to be low risk, 30 to 60% is medium, and above 60% it is considered as high risk. Since it is under 41%, it is under medium risk. So coming to the applications with high drift, we show the number of applications with drift concerns, and along with that, the count of missing or skipped out of the box files and the overall customization count. So in this filtered view, we can see two out of the box missing files and overall customization count at 126. So below that, we provide a drift summary by application. So this helps us compare applications side by side based on total out of the box items, customized items, and drift percentage. For example, if you can see the application which is analysis for CSM, it shows 12 customized items with drift percentage of 1.17%. And now assist for HRSD shows 19 customized items. And coming to the ITSM, it is showing 86 customized items. So we also visualize the top applications by drift percentage, which makes it easier to see which applications are the highest risk candidates. So then we break down into the customizations by type. So here in this case, the majority of the 117 customizations fall under the others category, as you can observe in this chart. So uh, with the similar smaller counts under security ACL and also the UI action, as you can observe in the chart. So finally, we show the customization distribution by product suite. So in this view, ITSM has the highest customization, and uh, it is followed by the HRST and also the CSM. So here, HRST and CSM each show 19, and 88 is shown by the ITSM, which is in the majority state right now. So, why this matters is that higher drift directly increases upgrade risk. So, it also increases the chance that new platform features, especially AI driven capabilities, will not behave as expected. So, and during these upgrades, heavily customized applications usually require more remediation and rework. So, this tab helps us answer where we are most drifted and which applications are at highest risk, and where should we actually reduce or refactor customization before moving forward. So next, coming on to the next tab, which is assist consumption. So this tab gives visibility into how now assist capabilities are being used across the instance. So at the top, we show key summary metrics such as total purchased assist, total assist used, available assist, and total now assist actions. So this gives immediate visibility into how much AI capacity has been purchased versus how much is actually being consumed. So we also show usage trends over time, so teams can track whether assist usage is stable, increasing, or spiking in specific periods. So below that, we provide a detailed breakdown of usage by skill. So as you can see, for example, in our instance, the skills are custom call, resolution notes generation, and now assist AI agents, and now assist panel conversation, and then its usage. So we also show assist utilization percentage, which in this case it is 2%. And coming to the monthly usage trends over time has been purely shown in this chart. Coming to the overall assist consumed by business, for example, if at the bottom we also break down these assets consumed by the business area, as you can see. So in this view, platform is driving the overwhelming majority of SS consumption, and while ITSM and CSM are contributing only a very small portion. So why this matters is that customers need real visibility into AI usage. So without that, they cannot properly optimize cost or govern consumption or drive any kind of adoption in the right places. So, for example, if one specific skill like custom call is consuming most of the SS, that may be fine if it is delivering value. But if not, it becomes a governance and customization discussion. So, this tab helps customers understand where AI is being used and how much value they're getting, and whether their SS consumption strategy is sustainable or not. So, finally, I'll go on to the license utilization tab. So here, this tab focuses on aligning what the customer has purchased with what is actually being used. So this is critical because in many environments, licensing is monitored only during renewals or audits. So which is basically too late. So by then, the organization may discover that some licenses were underused, some were inactive, and some might be active, and some are close to expiration without proactive action. So here we show the total number of purchase licenses, and along with those allocated licenses and active licenses and inactive or expired licenses. As you can see the whole record in this tab, we also provide an overall license utilization percentage, which, for example, it is 67 percentage and is clearly visible through the gauge. So on the right, we surface actionable alerts, such as licenses expiring in the next 30 days and renewal licenses. So coming to the licenses expiring in the next 30 days, you can see the products that are actually nearing to the expiration date and its data. And also the renew licenses, you can observe the expired products licenses and you can renew accordingly. So all the alerts has been displayed right here in this tab. So below that, we provide the instance level entitlement and subscription overview. So this helps validate what products are available and what statuses they are in and the relevant start and end dates. So we can also identify where capacity is nearing thresholds. The key value here is not just showing counts, it is showing insights. So we can identify features that are entitled but not being actively used, licenses that are inactive, licensing nearing expiration, and areas where usage is either underutilized, which means wasted investment, or approaching limits, which means future risk. So, why this matters is straightforward. Customers often pay for capabilities they are not fully leveraging, or they lack visibility into which licensed features are actually driving value. So, and in AI driven environments, this becomes even more important because usage and licensing directly impact both cost and scalability. So, this tab helps answer, are we fully utilizing what we purchased? Are we overspending or under leveraging the platform? And where should we improve adoption or reallocate licenses? So, to summarize, App Validator gives customers a single unified workspace to do four important things. First, validate instance readiness. Second, measure application drift and upgrade risk. Third, track AI SS consumption. And fourth, optimize license utilization. Instead of waiting for problems to appear during deployment, upgrade, audit, or renewal, this workspace helps teams identify issues early and act proactively. So, overall, App Validator helps customers move forward with better visibility, better control, and more confidence when enabling ServiceNow capabilities and AI use cases. Thank you, team.